Hiya, please note the disclaimer. Anything you do with your phone having viewed this video is done at your own risk. Enjoy the video. Welcome back to Adam's DIY universe. Now often I am trying to video something, but I need two hands free. And today I'm going to show you a very simple way to make a video camera holder or phone holder so that you can work with your two hands and video at the same time. So you will need one cap, preferably one you can tighten, two fold back clips, a piece of paper and your phone. With the fold back clips, it's preferable that you have longer arms, and you'll see why soon. Take one fold back clip and attach it to your hat right in the middle, and then you want to take this top clip. It's a little hard to do with one hand, and that's the reason for making this device. I want to remove this clip, so there's just the one clip available, and that's going to attach to the other clip which is attached to the phone. Now with your piece of paper you want to fold that so it's quite thick and it fits roughly around the same size as the clip, and that'll take the pressure off your screen while it's holding it. Now the next step is to put your piece of folded up paper inside the fold back clip head and attach that to your phone. As you can see, the piece of paper is in between the metal of the clip and the phone, so it's all safe and sound there. Then what you want to do is fold the arm at the back of the phone up. So now I have the fold back clip attached to the phone. I've popped one arm up and I'm going to join it to the arm attached to the hat. It's a bit hard to do with one hand, but what you do is just fit it inside like that. And now you can see that the two are joined together, and I'm going to slowly raise this so that I can pop it on my head. Voila! This is the secret ingredient, I think. I've just discovered that if I tighten a rubber band to the end of the arm attached to the cap, the two clips cannot come apart. See there? There's no way it's going to come apart. So safety first, use that rubber band, wrap it around the end there, and you should be good to go. Okay, so now I'm making a video hands-free. This solution is probably mainly for slow moving videoing, how-tos where you need sort of two hands to show someone something. But it's a good cheap option and it does the job for me. If you found this video helpful, please press like and subscribe to follow along for more tips and tricks around the house, garage and garden. Thanks for watching.